Tutorial number 13, How to create a structured report from breast ultrasound findings. After launching the app, log in as radiologist. If you're not a registered user, watch tutorial number 1, How to register a new user. The link is in the description down below. Select Breast Ultrasound Report in Worksheet. Enter patient demographics. All fields with red borders should be completed. You can enter the information manually, or capture the patient label, or use modality work list to populate demographics automatically. To learn how to replace patient demographics with a patient label, watch tutorial number 7, How to add patient label to worksheet or report. To learn how to set up Dicom communications with your network server, watch tutorial number 4, How to set up Dicom communications. The links are in the description down below. Since we have already set up our Dicom communications, we will select the patient from the work list. Select your patient from the work list. Complete any fields with red borders. Select Next. If applicable, enter the information related to previous imaging. If you are comparing this study with a previous one, enter related information. Otherwise, select Next. Select the scope of examination, whether it is a survey or a targeted. Select Next. If the exam is normal, select Normal. If there is a mass to describe, select Mass number 1 and use the descriptors to complete the description. You can describe up to 3 masses in each breast. Select Next. Select Full Report. If you have saved a category name for your breast ultrasound reports, it will show in the related field. To learn how to save a name for your breast ultrasound category, watch tutorial number 6, How to save department name and ultrasound categories. The link is in the description down below. Select a relevant category for your diagnosis. The related management for the selected category will automatically populate the field. You can modify the category or management fields if you need to. Just tap on Edit button and modify your diagnosis. Tap on Trash button to clear the field and start over. To bring back the structure reporting categories, tap again on Edit button. You can also add up to 4 sonograms to your report. To learn how to add sonograms, watch tutorial number 9, How to add a sonogram or other images to radiologist final report. The link is in the description down below. Select Next to see the report. To send the report to your PACS, tap Send PDF to PACS. To print the report, tap Share and select your printer from the list and then tap Print. To learn how to send the report by text messaging or email or AirDrop, watch tutorial number 10, How to print, save or send worksheet or report to PACS. The link is in the description down below. After you are finished with the report, tap Trash to clear all data and prepare the app to start a new report. If you have any questions or comments, you can always contact us by email support from the login page. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new tutorial.